In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Bluetooth mouse not working in Windows. So what you want to do is simply turning on a Bluetooth mouse is not going to make it appear. You have to flip your mouse over to inspect the bottom housing shell. Ensure that the power slider switch is flipped to on. Then locate the dedicated pairing or connect button on your mouse and then press and hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds. And what you can also do is a lot of Bluetooth mice are just come with a dongle. So make sure your dongle is plugged into your PC and then your mouse is in front of your receiver because it has to receive the signal. And then also, of course, on your, your Windows device, just make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. So what I'm going to do is you can type in Bluetooth right here, then go to Bluetooth and other device settings, make sure it's enabled, and then you're going to be able to connect to it very easily. As you can see, I have my Lamzu Maya X 8K dongle connected via Bluetooth to my PC, and this is what I use every single day. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.